Assalamu alaikum. This will be our 8th video on our ongoing crash course in current affairs, that is Sino-Indian recent clash. China has 23 border disputes with India, and India shares its longest and most treacherous border with China. It is lying on a difficult terrain with harsh weather and with a sparse population that has been the basis of border disputes for a number of years. Before discussing that Sino-Indian recent clash, we must have the overview of the issue. It dates back to 1914 agreement between British Republic of China and Tibet. Britain wanted the state of Tibet as autonomous. However, Republic of China protested against the move. When China did not attend the meeting of 1914, Britain gave the autonomous status to Tibet. However, China did never agree to this plan. Mao Zedong assumed the power. He conquered the territory of autonomous Tibet and disregarded the McMahon line as the legal border between India and China. In 1962, there was a war between India and China, and which led to more than 1 month war between the two states, leading to 1,000 casualties on the Indian side and 800 casualties on the China side. There was again border issue in the 1987 when India conducted its military operation in connection with the border with China, which also led to some clashes. In the 2017 year, there were the crisis at Doklam, a territory controlled by Bhutan, an Indian ally, over the construction of road. And now the recent clash of 2020. On 5 May 2020, there arose the clash between India and Chinese soldiers over the construction of road. India wanted to construct the road over the Galwan Valley as shown in the map. So the disputes over this border led to the clash between India and China, in which more than 20 soldiers lost their lives on Indian side, and India claims that more than 43 soldiers have lost their lives in the recent clash. As of September 7, 2020, there were the shots fired for the first time between India and China's border, because there has been an agreement between India and China that they will not use their weapons on the border dispute. As per some reports, as of October 2020, from May till the October, China has been able to control the 300 square kilometers of territory from India. This led to the boycott of Chinese products by India. India banned almost more than 100 social applications made by China. These include TikTok also. However, a number of meetings have been held between the leaders of China and India, but there has been no any solution yet to this dispute. Thank you very much.